Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So gold made another really nice push up today. I actually just cast out of my longs a little while ago. This is my Discord group, and this is where all my trades are posted. And you can see right here at 3:37, which is UK time, which is about 3 hours ago, I ended up closing my gold trade with a total profit of 735 pips. I did hold on to this trade for 8 days because I am a swing trader, but very, very, very nice trade on gold. I honestly don't really think it's over. It's just I had an extremely profitable trade, so I was definitely itching to get out. I still am actually targeting this little bit higher area, which is right around the 704 to 716 area. And we also have a Fibonacci extension from the daily weekly time frame on here too. So someplace at one of these three fibs is still where I expect us to make a bigger turn. So basically what that means is I would still be looking for longs at least until we get up closer to those targets. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.